Smoke Brains 101. Smoke Brains 101. Alright. Smoke Brains 101. Let's see. Smoke Brains 101. This is Mark Cleaver, Barbeques Galore Grill32 Challenge. Week 16, day 3. Word of the day is Kansas City. We're smoking some brains on the 101st day of the Grill32 Challenge. Actually, we're doing the first step of our smoked brains, which is actually smoked cauliflower. Doing some smoked cauli mash. First step here, we've got the heads of broccoli and a couple heads of garlic in the smoker for about 45 minutes. We're doing this with some sweet maple pellets, and we're going to go ahead and take these cauliflower out, wrap them up in foil, add about a half cup of water to each one. Crank the temperature up on the smoker to about 350. Finish roasting off the garlic, and we will be steaming the cauliflower at that point. When the cauliflower is nice and tender, we'll open that foil pack up, roll some more smoke over it. Then we'll mash it all up, add the roasted garlic, a little bit of milk, a little bit of sour cream, a little bit of sea salt, and for me, a little bit of chipotle powder on my portion of it. And we may even put it back in the smoker and roll some more smoke over it. Alright, first step's done. Got the garlic's roasted. The broccoli has been steamed in the foil. Nice and tender. Now, I'm going to go ahead and throw on some of these chicken breasts. Oh yeah, besides the brains, Kansas City style smoked brains, we're doing some lemon herb chicken. So I'm going to go ahead and take these cauliflower heads off. I'm going to go ahead and mash those up, add up the other ingredients. Of course, I forgot butter. It's one of the key ingredients, going along with the milk, sour cream. So that's it. On to the next step. Again, what's the word of the day? Kansas City. We're doing Kansas City style smoked brains. Alright, thought I'd show you the final step of our smoked brains. Roll in a little bit more of that sweet maple smoke over top of the cauli mash. So you've got a few pads of butter on there and some chipotle powder. Smoked brains. Again, word of the day is Kansas City, and we'll see you tomorrow.